Hey Joe, what the bear?
You know that banana? The banana?
Yes.
That is the brother of the banana. We call in Fiji Wunji.
Cool. Good.
See? The brother of the banana. We call it in Fiji Wunji.
The banana's brother.
It look like a kepe.
Good morning and welcome back. The time is 25 to 7 in the morning and I'm on my way to the farm. I asked my cousin, I want to start my own farm and I need your help because he's a full-time farmer. So this morning he woke me up early and said, let's go to the farm. This is how we do it. We go in the morning, come back, and we drink and we have tea, and then we go again in the afternoon. So today we're gonna go to his farm, and then in the afternoon he's gonna help me start my own farm. So tag along. Tough terrain. But the view is nice. So I've been preparing a little bit before starting my life as a full-time farmer. I've got a machete and some boots so I don't injure my pussy feet. Oi. Lovely. You don't get tired of it. Okay, gotta watch out here. This is what you call a village bridge. Finally, a terrain that's more like me. Look at this. Amazing. Murut tu pada bos ini kelan kendera.
Ayo lu.
Somebody's crying. Back to the old terrain. Andra. Hey, Andra. 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 Naka. So the farm is 10 to 15 minutes away from the actual village, and now we are almost there. Early morning workout, man. What am I getting myself into? I thought farm life was good life, easy life, but I haven't reached the farm yet and I'm already exhausted. Woo. Okay, you can see here that we are at somebody's farm. You can see here he's planting taro leaves. Those one here, and these ones are Angona. It's Fiji's national drink. I'll do a video more on that later. Hey, you look what up? You look what up? Huh? Fuck. I don't know how he got on there so fast. I didn't even see the road he took. I think this way. Mungkin it also doesn't help when I don't have my glasses on. Okay, give me a second. All right. Look at this dense jungle. Okay, let's continue. You see the road? I can barely see it. Fuck. Another farm. This is William's farm. If you watch some of my other videos, then he's in there too. Okay, now we are arriving to Josese's Tete, my cousin there. And you can see the Angona farm right there. And we're gonna continue up to his farm. Huh? Kotito minum? Ibi. Ui, chico na. Iko da butu chico.
Ya, sempre tá com ele vou mate. Ele não só ninguém bar na que não me quer.
Okay. So we're here this morning to just clean up his farm. You know, you see all the grasses here. You don't want that. You want it to see the bottom. Like then you'll, I think, I'm not sure, you take this machete and then you know, you gotta look out for the crops. You don't wanna smash it with your machete too, then it would be a lot of months work going to waste. So yeah, I'm a rookie, so I gotta be extra careful with when I swing my machete. This is like one of the most annoying thing you have to do as a farmer, to clean up your farm once in a while, because it's a never-ending job. You know, the grass here, it grows so fast, immensely. But yeah, time to get to work. So what we are cleaning now is the taro crops. We want to clean the grass, and that's because so the rainwater can easily go down to the earth, so it can grow and get big, and so we can harvest it. And this is how you do it. That's how I do it.
This taro we're gonna harvest on the Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And we'll show you upload one another video for harvesting this taro. Come with us.
So in English they call it taro, but here in Fiji they call it ndalo. In this part of Fiji, I don't know, because there are so many dialects. So yeah, this part of Fiji is called ndalo. And as my cousins say, we will harvest it on Christmas, because it usually takes 6 months to fully grow, and then it's ready to harvest, and it tastes really good. And I know some of my Danish friends that has been here, they be like, nah bro, come on. And I'm like, shut up, it does. I will clean the farm for the first time while I'm vlogging too. Yeah, guys, I'm an athlete.
Mangge ba?
I just think I swung at a taro crop. Okay, he does know, he does know. Okay, since I'm left-handed, I will start like this. Oh Lord, it's actually harder to vlog while doing this. Okay, let me try. Okay, that's how we do it. Okay, wait. See, this is how the pros, the full-time farmer, they do it. Look at how fast he does it with a cigarette in his mouth. So natural. Okay, let's get a better overview here. Okay, people, I'm gonna do this without the camera now, so I actually can do it to a certain level that would be accepted, because it's hard to do it when you are vlogging. But I'll keep you updated along the way. Okay, so here is how far we've come. We started from here and we have continued all the way up there. We have a little more to go before we can call it a successful morning at the farm. And after that we're gonna have a cup of tea. But now it's time for a smoke break and sharpen our machete. One thing that is annoying about being a farmer is all those mosquitoes we have. God damn, you can't get rid of them. When you kill one, another one comes. It's so annoying, but it won't stop me from pursuing my dream as a full-time farmer.
We are sharpening our machine. After this, and we finish our taro cleanup, dalo cleanup.
So my cousin is guiding me how to sharpen my machete. This is how we do it, with the help of this little thing. They call it the file. I just finished sharpening my machete, and it's really sharp, really sharp. So we're gonna get back to work, finish our work, and then we'll head out to the village so we can get away from these freaking mosquitoes.
Engineer's file. This urea, peeling the grasses away from the taro. He's showing up how to clean the taro. See, one day at the farm, too fast.
So we are done cleaning this part of the farm, as you can see.
Taro farm.
And now we're gonna head back to the village. Okay. All natural.
Mantutan. For you guys, in Denmark, this popo in Fiji is free. And you guys from Denmark, $3 one popo. $30.
$30.
In Fiji, no price. Just come in the farm and eat. More popo you eat, the more healthy you go.
Yeah, man, back in Denmark, this is very expensive. But here, it's all around. Hey Joe, what the hell?
You know the banana? The banana?
Yes.
That is the brother of the banana. We call in Fiji, wunji.
Cool. Okay, so we're gonna cut this down and take it home so we can eat. I think it's called banana plant in English, but in Fijian, vundi.
This Ura is gonna cut the banana brother down. You know how to scale the banana so it can fall down. Normally down, yeah? Gortasan tolong. One cut. I'll cut that plant. There's only one cut. Laki rat doangan puno. Good. See? The brother of the banana. We call it in Fiji. Wunji.
The banana's brother.
It look like a cape, eh? Ano mo mura tengah kang?
Tangi ke?
Iya. Karon tanyo. Koste. But shit.
Okay, let's go. We're gonna carry this all the way home to the village. Hard work from the morning, as my uncle used to say. As my uncle used to say, hard labor, no pay. Thank you.
In Fiji, we say, kangan wasat. Songa tos.
And on our way we go.
Back to the village.
Back to the village. Let's see how I'm gonna do this with this in this bloody terrain, carrying this banana's brother. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Bye.
This is how Fijian work to carry stuff to the village. We have family and people in the village. They have food to live their life healthy and go strong. And this is William's farm. He plant dalos and angona. And this is the mbele in Fiji. And this is the cabbage. He plant cabbage and all that stuff, the cassava. And this is William. He's pulling his dalo. He's pulling his grass out from the dalo, so the dalo can grow up and be lewanas.
Even though the farm life is hard, but luckily you have the view with you sometimes. Look, the weather is not great at the moment, but the view is still good. And now a smoke break again. Yeah, let's sit here 5-10 minutes, enjoy the view before we continue the rest of the way to the village. So I just arrived back in the village and just dropped this off in front of my home, or the place where I live. And now it's time for a cup of tea. It's 9:15, so I'm pretty hungry. I'll see you guys later. Good morning. We are back. Today is Monday, and we still have the ongoing project of farming cassava, my own cassava plantation, or farm as they call it. And we've been a little bit busy last week, so we could finish it. So today, new week, we're gonna try and plant cassava so I can have my own cassava farm. And now we are on the way to the farm, and we already cleaned the farm, but I was so stupid that I accidentally erased all the files, all the video on that day. I guess it is a hard learned lesson when you are starting out as a content creator, because it actually shows the hard work that is put into this to start a farm or to make the farm. So today we're gonna do the final steps of planting cassava, and after that we're gonna begin my other farm, which is maybe taro or taro as they call it. So tag along. Yeah, the terrain is not great, but the view is always on point. But it's not so far from the village, my cassava plantation, or soon to be farm. We're almost there. I just gotta watch out for my steps. And you can see here, this is the water tank I was talking about on my village tour. If you haven't seen it, I'll put a link in the video. But this is it. And this over here is where we cleaned the farm last week. As I said, I accidentally erased all the files and video from that day. So that's it, and that's where we gonna plant the cassava. So what we did last week when we cleaned the farm, we used manpower, hard labor, and the machete. And we did it by just, you know, like that. Hard labor, no pay. Manual labor. And we managed to clean all of this. And we started here like this with our machete, and you can see how much grass and dirt there was. So yeah, it was definitely hard work. And cassava is one of the essentials food in a Fijian household. It's like potato for Danes and cassava for Fijians. We eat it almost every day, almost in everything. It's nutritious, it's heavy, a lot of carbs, and yeah, it's actually easy to plant compared to other crops and the other things they plant here in Fiji. So today we're gonna show you.
Guys, this is how you plant cassava in Moturik. We dig the soil, dig it nicely.
Dilew.
And this is what do you call a cassava plant? Yeah, just like that. Easy. That's one thing can give you 3 things.
So, as he said, it's pretty easy to plant the cassava. Now he's just repeat the same thing all over. Where we clean this farm. It's gonna be hard work, but again, we have the view with us. Okay, time to try this out. Remember, I'm a newbie, so don't judge me. Chilo, chilo, chilo.
Tara ba naman tiba? Wag kayo. Gori. 2 things can the folk do: digging and cleaning up.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Musutin mo pa na naman. Cici, kasih. Tos like nemu mati ba?
Okay.
Gor, tos like gor. Gor. Set. Gor.
Okay.
Lomba ka? Tuh, kau makan belum?
Lama.
Bitongnya baik, matang ini. Gor, set. Kan butuh ka?
Wait. So guys, that's how you do it. Pretty easy. Okay people, now I've finished this row and I will begin down here. Again, same process. Dig in the hole. That's just remove. Mayday, mayday. SOS. Paknas. Ay.
Belum.
Dorong terus.
Langsung dah.
Ya aku mau tutup kisan doa.
Suki session. The more you eat suki, the stronger you work. No suki, no work.
No suki, no power.
No power.
We're having a smoke break. gonna fix the camera. And yeah, good way to enjoy the view. And after this we're gonna continue with the rest. Here.
Hai bola.
Balik tahu titik ke balang tililing.
Coco, Chikwandua. Our family dog has followed us to the farm. And we have more people joining us now to help me with my farm. So what they are doing now is extending the farm. They are just gonna clean the grass or the space for us to plant some more cassava, like we did last week over here, where they are now planting cassava. Hey?
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
You can see the process they're doing right now. It's fast when there are many.
Tolong mesin ko.
So we just finished planting on this side, and then we're gonna continue on that side where the process of cleaning is still continuing. So I hope we can be done by lunch, because the sun is getting hot, and yeah, it makes it harder to work during the heat. Now some of the guys have begun digging and planting cassava on this side. And we're soon gonna be done, hopefully.
You do what they say. Fuck you, bastard. Fuck you too. Yeah. Holy mogo.
So what I'm doing now is just planting the cassava plant, where they already have digging the hole for it, so this should make it fast. So apparently I have done it wrong sometimes when I've planted the cassava plant. So when you put it in the soil, this part right here should be upwards and not downwards, not like this. You don't want this part to be downwards, because then it will not grow as good as it should. So another learning lesson as a rookie farmer. So we have finished the cassava planting for today, and this is my farm. Thanks to all the boys that came by today, the village boys. Without them we wouldn't be done so fast. So that's the thing here in the village, that everybody helps one another.
This cassava.
So people, that's how we do it. You pull it from the soil, and then that's what you get after 3 months. And this is what you eat. You boil it until it's ready to be eaten, until it's smooth.
After 3 months, and we create another video, and we go to Ur's farm and pull cassava.
As he said, see you in 3 months.